bingo or not. For this game of bingo, you will receive a single array of 10 numbers from 1 to 26 as an input. Duplicate numbers within the array are possible. Each number corresponds to the alphabetical order letter. For example, 1 is A, 2 is B. Write a function where you will win the game if your numbers can spell bingo. They do not need to be in the right order in the input array, otherwise you will lose. Your output should be win or lose, respectively. I'm using JavaScript for this solution and let's solve it. The function returns win if all these values are present in the array. If not, lose is returned.